Hi, welcome to your KK Art Universe. Today we are going to make star inside star. A simple origami. Let's go. Take a chart or origami paper 11 into 22 centimeter and then fold like a fan. And then mark 2 centimeter on both sides. Then cut diagonally like a triangle. Continue the process on both sides. Do it slowly so that you can get sharp star. Cut extras. Then take a scale, fold inwards. Repeat the process on other side. And then fold slightly. Fold left and right. Do this for all triangle. Then fold inwards. Take one end, join both ends, and then fold it. Make sure both triangle are on the same side. Then cut extras. Take a fevistick. Then join it. Now you can see star inside star. Thank you for watching KK Art Universe. Do like, share and subscribe. Follow me for regular artwork.